Hi, good afternoon. Can you please introduce yourself?
Hello, good day. I am Miriam Villan. I am 25 years old. I am married. I have two kids, the 10 years old and 12 years old. My education is I'm graduate in senior high school with beverage.
What is your course in senior high school?
I am a professional with the major of food and beverage services.
And how many brothers and sisters do you have?
I have elder sister and I am the youngest.
Okay, can you please tell me about your working experience?
I have 8 years experience here in the Philippines.
Okay.
I have eight years experience here in the Philippines in one couple with two kids, the 10 years old and 3 months old.
You do all the household chores?
Yes, ma'am. I do household chores like cooking, washing clothes, ironing, marketing, and also taking care of the baby.
Are you willing to take care of a newborn baby in Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am. I will.
Okay, what if the baby is crying? What will you do?
I will check the baby's diaper first and I will change it. If the baby is still crying, I feed a milk and sing a song, a nursery song.
Okay, do you know how to shower a baby?
Yes, ma'am.
What do you need to do first?
I will prepare a lukewarm water together with soap and towel.
Okay. And what do you need to take care?
I will make sure to take care of the eyes, nose, ears, and mouth, not to spill with water.
What if the baby or the children is very naughty and not listening to you? What will you do?
I will encourage the children to play with me so I can also enjoy playing with them.
Okay. Do you have patience to the children?
Yes, ma'am. I have a lot of patience with children.
Okay. Why do you want to come to Hong Kong?
I want to come to Hong Kong because I want to earn money for the sake of my family.
Who will take care of your kids?
I leave my kids with my mother-in-law and my husband.
Okay. In Hong Kong, what will you do if the baby is sick?
If the baby is sick, I will check the temperature first and put the foot fever in his head and tell the parents to bring the babies in the hospital for checkup.
Okay. How about if you have homesick?
If I'm homesick, I will make sure I will work to avoid homesick. I will focus my work and to treat my employer as my own family.
Oh. What?
I encourage myself to work so hard for my family.
Okay, could you sing a nursery song?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa. Eating sugar, no, Papa. Telling lies, no, Papa. Open on your mouth, ah, ah, ah.
Okay, thank you. Are you scared dogs and cats?
No, ma'am. Because I have dog and cats in our home.
Any food doesn't eat? Are you allergic to any food?
No, ma'am. I can eat all the foods.
What food can you cook?
I can cook native food and Filipino food, and I'm willing to learn to cook Chinese food.
Can you accept no day off but will be paid by your employer?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you accept take your older person and assist other needs?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to clean the car without extra pay?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you promise to cut hair short before you come to Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have tattoo on your body?
No, ma'am.
Can you promise not hair coloring and nail art?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you promise not to loan money in Hong Kong?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what is your message to your future employer?
To my future employer, please hire me as your helper. I am honest, cheerful, helpful woman, and I'm willing to learn. And I'm willing to learn to follow my instruction to my employee. And I promise to finish contract as long as my employers need me, and I will treat my employer as my own family.
Okay.
Hoping for your positive feedback. Thank you and God bless.
Okay, thank you.